confessions, or so to speak. But I find her confession to be a typical Kenyan problem. If you read our constitution, Article 228(5), on the responsibilities and the roles of a controller of budget. Allow me just to read it verbatim so that we have it on record. The controller shall not approve any withdrawal from a public fund unless satisfied that the withdrawal is authorized by law. So here you have the person that the Constitution has given the responsibility of ensuring that any withdrawal from the public kitty is her mandate. Then she comes before the committee and tells us, I have seen this being budgeted elsewhere and I don't know how money is being lost. Surely, with that confession, I thought probably we should have asked her to resign. Because if you are allowing withdrawals through what is now being revealed to the committee and called budgeted corruption, then it means either you are incompetent or you are part and parcel of those that are stealing from us.
Order. Yeah. And order. Honorable Chairs, there's a statement which is circulating attributed to the CS for National Treasury. Dated today. It's a statement in response to the allegations by the Controller of Budget. I just wanted to answer Professor Ndung'u, perhaps address the issue in your statement, because it has just come before us now, on page 2, where you claim that for financial year 2022-2023, approved budget for personal allowances for the Office of the Controller of Budget was Kenya shillings 7.3 million, which was reduced to Kenya shillings 700,000 in the supplementary budget. Yet actual expenditure was only Kenya shillings 50,000. And now come this financial year, you still go ahead to budget for Kenya shillings 7.5 million. What would have informed this budgeting if the previous financial year, the only expenditure was 50,000 shillings? Down from a budget of 7.3 million. Is this what Nyakang was talking about? Finally, thanks.